What HPE has done with Synergy is given you that composable building block where you can think about compute and storage and network, and you can think about the application, and you can say, hey, I want the application to run. It has the following constraints. Let's go put that in the pool and run that thing. I think what's interesting about that is that it starts to point the finger toward the idea that to be that nimble technology company we want to be, one of the things we have to have are consistent layers that we can rely on that will allow us to then move forward as technology evolves. And so if I don't have a solid substrate of that compute and network and storage layer, if I can't do that composable move, well, what do I do instead? Like, where do I go from there? How could I possibly build the layers above it, right? And I think what HPE has come to understand is that if they can get very, very good at that composable substrate, then partners like me and all sorts of other folks, we can help those companies so much faster to accomplish the rest of their goals, because now that substrate is a solved thing. We can look at that contract and we can say, hey, we understand that we can get what we need from that substrate to move on. If we want to deploy more complicated things on top of it, we can do that. And for us as a partner, it means that when we encounter customers that we share who are using Synergy, we know that substrate exists, and we know that we can help them on that journey that much faster because those capabilities exist and they cross multiple clouds, and that hybrid vision is closer to being real.